Hi, and welcome to this video on how to deposit money on Binance. First, head over to Binance.com and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right-hand side where it says Deposit and click on it. You'll see 4 different options. Deposit crypto using your coin address for an on-chain transfer. P2P trading. Buy crypto via credit card. Deposit crypto from your bank account. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through 2 methods. The first method is depositing crypto. To do this, start on the main page, click Deposit, and select the Crypto Deposit option. This will take you to a page where you can deposit coins. Use the search bar to type in your coin. For example, if you want to deposit Solana, type SL. Select it, and you'll be asked to choose a network. I'll select Sol for this demonstration. If you don't have an address, you can generate a new one by clicking Get Address. Once that's done, your deposit address will be displayed, and you can use it to deposit your Solana coins. The second method is buying crypto using a credit card. To do this, go to the top right-hand side and click Deposit. Then select the Buy Crypto option. This will take you to a page where you can deposit between $15 to $20,000 USD per transaction. Let's say I want to deposit $100. The currency is preset to USD, but you can select another currency if you prefer. For example, I'll choose Australian dollars. As you can see, the current exchange rate between AUD and USD is automatically displayed. 100 AUD is currently $62.90 USD. Once you're satisfied with the exchange rate, select Buy USDT. This will direct you to a page where you'll need to enter your credit card details, such as your name, card number, expiration date, and CVC. After entering your details, click Continue. Your bank may require additional security verification. Just enter the security code provided. Once verified, click Buy Now, and the money will be automatically deposited into your Binance account. That's how you deposit money on Binance using 2 different methods. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.